Hello everyone, how's it going? I'm gonna do a startup and walk around of my Survivor of an RV. It's a 1990 Ford, as you can see here. E350 4 winds with the 460 Ford fuel injected. And so let's do a cold start. I'll go ahead and let it get the fuel to where it's supposed to be there. See where I'm at. Alright. Let's check out this cold start. Gotta figure out why it squeals like that. The belts look fine, but I might just replace them anyways. I got this on a trade. I traded my Expedition that I had for this as my situation changed, and yeah, so you can see there we got some good oil pressure. And yeah, it has 94,124 miles on it. As you can see there, it was a cold start. And you know, I got the Pioneer stereo that the previous owner put in here. And it's actually got a pretty decent sound system up in it. And so let's check it out. Gotta love these old basic doors, just so nice. All that stuff is still intact. So it definitely could use some love. You know, it's not that perfect. It needs some paint and whatnot. But yeah, this is what I got going on here. You know, it's a decent choice. I love this RV actually. My dog loves it too. You know, you got these nice door handles, nice sturdy doors, nice sturdy running boards. But as far as the main thing that I did is fix this exhaust. As you can see, I had a different pipe put in there with a Flowmaster Muffler. And go ahead and let you all hear it. See about sorry about that. My phone's not wanting to cooperate, but that's alright. I'm gonna leave this here and do just a little rev.